Hello, Scrappy Crafters. It's been a while since I've been on. Life has been sort of busy and my family comes first, but I have not forgotten about my crafters. We have a new exciting welcome box. For those of you who have been interested in joining, or those who joined in the past and let their demonstratorship lapse, we have a new program. In the past, you would pay $100 and get $125 in product of your choice, whatever you wanted, but you couldn't go over that $125. And so if there were other things that you wanted, you would have to place a separate order. If your total went under $125, you just lost out on the difference. So they've revised the program. It's still, you join and there's no commitment, no pressure. If at the end of 90 days you don't do anything, it will lapse with no further commitment. But this time you pay the $100 and you will receive a voucher for $125 worth of product for free. And then if you want to add on to your order, which would save on your shipping, you may do so on the same order, which is great. And the other thing that they have come out with is a new welcome box. So I'm going to open it up and show you what all's in it. It's some pretty neat stuff. So first, you get a welcome letter from Sarah. It's in her handwriting. I'm pretty sure that they printed it, but it's the original is in her handwriting. And then on the back, they give you QR codes for the first year toolkit and path to quarterly sales minimum, so that if you do want to grow your business, they teach you how to do that. And then there's some really cool things here. This is a mini pop-up trash can. I love it. I have the full-size one, yellow and white polka dot, but green is my color, and this one is actually a pretty peacock, and it's little, it's travel size, which is perfect if you are going to scrap with a friend or even have a class. Then there's this cute little pouch to hold your pens and markers and pencils, scissors, your tools. It's collapsible. I'll see if my take your pick will fit in it. It might be too tall for take your pick. Oh, nope, take your pick fits in there. Your scissors will fit. Your bone folder, blender pens, they all fit in there, zip up, and it stands up on its own. Then you get a block, a Stampin' block, and the nice thing about our Stampin' blocks versus most of them that you find in the store is ours has a ridge, and this ridge allows you to put your fingers on the block without putting it in the ink. So many stampers I know of do not use these, and then they end up getting ink on their fingers and get frustrated. This will help. Then there's a kit, and with the kit comes the stamps. It's a welcome kit. I love these colors. Stamps, hello, hip hip hooray, celebrate, a bird. And if you're selling your cards, you have to put the Stampin' Up logo on the back of the card. It's their angel policy. So they've put that in there. In the past, you had to purchase it. And then they put a sample of a pretty peacock ink to create your cards. And lastly, there's an ink pen in here. I like the way their ink pens feel when you're writing with them. They've got a little bit of weight, and they don't skip around like most pens, at least for me. I have a shaky hand, and so pens will skip around. This one doesn't feel quite as heavy as their onstage pen. It's a little lighter, so, but it's still a cute pen. Anyway, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. If you would like to join my team, go to my page, reneestephan.stampinup.net, and there is a link there that says join my team. And if you join, I will be reaching out to you. Feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. I do not pressure anybody to join or to sell, so I'll leave it 100% up to you. Thanks. Have a great day.